Welcome to this Diggle tutorial. Today we'll walk you through creating and customizing a quiz in Diggle to engage participants, test knowledge, and add a competitive edge to your sessions. To create a quiz, open the builder and select one of the quiz-enabled slide types. Quiz slides function like other interactive slides in Diggle. Add your question and answer options, then enable quiz functionality to convert the slide into a quiz. Remember to select at least one correct answer. Use the settings found under quiz functionality to adjust the individual quiz question, like feedback about the topic, a timer with the option of a speed bonus, and scoring options like whether the participant gets points for partially correct answers and how many points they can get. You also have even more customization options in the general quiz settings, where you can adjust settings that affect the whole Diggle, like showing the results on the participants' devices or turning on a timer for the full Diggle. This is also where you can turn on passing grade, which turns the quiz into a test with a required passing percentage. This setting works well if you want to use Diggle as an exam tool. When passing grade is turned on, the leaderboard won't show the placement for all the participants, but will show an individual display with the participants' results and whether they passed or failed. Once your quiz is ready, you can present it live or share it with participants via a QR code or link. They will log in as usual to participate. And that's it. Creating a quiz in Diggle is easy and customizable. Whether you're running a competitive game or a formal test, Diggle provides all the tools you need. Happy diggling!